Well, court hearings and adjournments are something that goes hand in hand. While today, a Justice Ashok Bhushan-led bench of the Supreme Court was hearing the matter of former IPS officer Sanjeev Bhatt seeking the suspension of the sentence granted to him in the 1990 custodial death case. Justice Bhushan was informed by one of the advocates appearing for Bhatt that the case be adjourned for a bit since the instructing counsel was not present. At this juncture, senior advocate Mahinder Singh appeared and said that these are only delay tactics being employed so that the case is kept pending at the trial court. It was further informed that the last adjournment was sought on the ground that the senior advocate was not present. To this, Justice M.R. Shah said that this was the last chance of adjournment being granted and that the case would be now heard on January 27th for final arguments. Well, moving forward, a Justice A.M. Khanwilkar led bench of the Supreme Court was today informed by Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju that the Union Public Service Commission would not be granting an extra attempt or a compensatory extra attempt to the students or the candidates who had appeared for the UPSC prelims in October 2020 and have exhausted all their attempts, especially in the wake of COVID-19. The Supreme Court has now asked the central government to put this stand taken on affidavit, and the matter would now be taken up on Monday. Well, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde-led bench today clarified that if a court orders a conviction and grants a couple of weeks to surrender, then in that case, if the person decides to appeal against that order, he also has to attach an application seeking exemption from surrendering along with that appeal in case he wants to be exempted from surrendering within that week time limit, especially if his appeal is pending. Well, lastly, in the Kerala journalist Siddique Kappan's case, the Supreme Court was today informed by senior advocate Kapil Sibal that the mother of the Kerala journalist Siddique Kappan, who was arrested on his way to cover the Hathras case by the Uttar Pradesh police, is unconscious and wants to meet her son through video conferencing. To this, the Chief Justice of India said that he would allow the application, but at this juncture, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta intervened and said that it would be the Uttar Pradesh government who would look at this and that the issue should be left to the Solicitor General. As per this, the court just adjourned the case to a non-miscellaneous day next. Well, that's all from Supreme Court Today. Do stay tuned with Supreme Court Today tomorrow as well, and don't forget to like and share baronbench.com.